Hey everyone, this is Android Cemetery, and in this video I'm going to show you how to render emissive materials in cycles. So the first thing that I'm going to do is create an emissive material. Going to go to Material Properties, going to add a material slot, press New, and then here where it says Surface, I'm going to change this to Emission, change the color, and change the strength number to 3. Then I'm going to select my object, go into Edit Mode, and just select the faces that I want the material to be applied to. Select the material, and then assign. So to add emissive materials using cycles, we need to go to the compositing editor, click Use Nodes, and we want to add in a glare node. So Shift A, and then search, and then type in glare. And then just drag this, click it in the middle, and then right here where it says streaks, I want to change this to fog glow. Go back to layout, change the render settings to cycles, and then render the image. Also keep in mind that while the image is rendering, the emissive materials aren't going to show up. Because we're using compositing nodes, the emissive glare is going to be rendered at the end. And there you can see the emissive render. And we can actually modify this slightly further. So if we go back into compositing, I'm just going to select this corner over here until my mouse cursor looks like this. I'm going to drag out another window. I'm going to go into my editor type, UV editor, click over here, and then go into render result. So while having the compositor opened, I can adjust the settings of the glare. I can make the quality higher, and I can also make the size of the glare slightly bigger. And then just save the final image. So I hope you found this video helpful, and I'll see you in the next video.